Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Plesk settings and subscriptions to another VPS, full guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring Plesk settings and subscriptions to another VPS, log into your current Plesk control panel. Navigate to the Tools and Settings section. In the Tools and Settings menu, locate the Backup Manager. Click on Backup Manager to access the backup options. Select the option to create a new backup. Choose the desired settings for your backup, such as including all subscriptions and settings. Once you've adjusted the backup settings, initiate the backup process. Wait for the backup to complete. This may take several minutes depending on the size. After the backup is finished, download the backup file to your local machine for safekeeping. Now, log into your new VPS where Plesk is installed. Ensure that Plesk on the new VPS is set up and running correctly. Access the Plesk control panel on the new VPS. Go back to the Tools and Settings section in the new Plesk interface. Open the Backup Manager in the new instance. This time, select the option to upload a backup file. Locate and upload the backup file you previously downloaded from the old VPS. Wait for the file to upload completely. After the upload is finished, select the option to restore the backup. Choose to restore all subscriptions and settings from the backup. Confirm your selections and begin the restoration process. Monitor the progress and wait for the restoration to complete. Once the restoration is done, check the status of your subscriptions. Make sure all settings and data appear as intended. If necessary, reconfigure any settings specific to the new VPS. Finally, test your websites to ensure everything functions correctly. You have now successfully transferred your Plesk settings and subscriptions to another VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.